Good day everyone. My name is Miguel L. Del Torre. Section is 1A-1. The topic to, that topic of today is about sexual problems. Sexual problems, also known as sexual dysfunction, are difficulties experienced during any phase of sexual activity, including desire, arousal, orgasms, or pain. These problems can affect anyone at any stage of life and may stem from physical or psychological issues. There are types of sexual problems. Desire disorders, characterized by a lack of interest in sex or a decreased libido. Arousal disorders. These involve the inability to become aroused or maintain arousal during sexual activity. And organs disorders. These include delayed ejaculation, premature and ejaculation, or the inability to achieve orgasms. And the last, pain disorders. These refer to pain experienced during intercourse, which can be caused by various factors such as insufficient lubrication of underlying medical conditions.
Good day, sir. I am Sanreje Elgafort from IS1A-1. This reflection about sexual problems. Sexuality is an integral part of human life, encompassing not only physical intimacy but also emotional connection, communication, identity, and personal well-being. However, sexual problems are more common than many people realize, and yet they often remain shrouded in silence, shame, or misunderstanding. Sexual problems can arise for various reasons: physical health issues, psychological stress, emotional disconnect, trauma, hormonal imbalances, or relationship conflicts. For example, issues like erectile dysfunction, low libido, premature ejaculation, pain during sex, or anorgasmia are not just physical, they can affect self-esteem, create distance between partners, and lead to anxiety or depression.
Good day, sir. I'm Daniel Peter Scruel, and this is my reflection. Sexual problems are a sensitive but important topic that many people experience, yet rarely talk about openly. Learning about them made me realize that those issues are not just physical, but also emotional and physiological. They can affect a person's confidence, relationship, and overall sense of self-worth. I also understood that it is important to approach these problems with openness, understanding, and respect rather than shame or judgment. Everyone deserves to feel comfortable discussing their sexual health and seeking help when needed. This topic reminded me that addressing sexual problem is a part of caring for ourselves, physical, mentality, and emotionally.
Sexual problems are real and significant concerns that affect both physical and emotional well-being. They may arise from stress, medical conditions, hormonal imbalance, or a lack of communications between partners. Recognizing these issues is essential not as a source of shame, but as a part of maintaining a healthy and responsible life. Education and open discussions about sexual health encourage understanding and help individuals seek proper medical or psychological assistance when needed. It is important to view sexuality not only as a physical experience but also as an emotional and mental connection that requires respect and maturity. By promoting awareness and responsibility, we can create a healthier society that values respect, communication, and well-being in all relationships.